This conduit run needs to move 3 inches south.
Copy that. Adjusting the laser now.
Marking the floor, heads up on the wiring, secure that conduit run.
Installing the HVAC vent now. We need clearance below.
Okay, lift your side higher.
Careful, watch the edge.
Almost there, set it down slowly. Power levels look good here.
All right, team, let's get these display cases staged by the cabinetry.
Copy that, moving the mirrors now.
Is the laser level calibrated? Yes, it's perfectly aligned. Secure the top bracket.
Initiating system test sequence.
All zones are active and stable.
Confirmed. Powering down the system now. The wardrobe compartments are immaculate. The shoes are perfectly aligned. We are finished here.